We're going to be talking about breast augmentation and I guess my approach to breast augmentation. The patient has to make a lot of decisions before the procedure, namely what type of implants they want to choose, where they want their incisions located, what size they want to go to. So when they come in for a consultation, we'll go through all of those. But ultimately, I want them to be comfortable with, again, how they look, but self-confident. I think that's why most of these women are having the procedure in the first place. They somehow have either lost their confidence or they might never really have had it. And a lot of people will ask them, why are you going to do it, or why did you do it? And I know the reason, because after the procedure they expressed to me that, you know, that's how they feel. They feel confident, they feel better about presenting themselves to the public and to their significant others.